I'm going to make this vlog very small and sweet. Small, I know. Sweet, yeah, we'll decide about that. We'll talk about that. We'll think about that. So we are here for some reasons basically. You can see I'm not going to disturb him right now. You can see this man, right? Yeah, this is actually he's a sand artist. He's quite renowned sand artist. One second, I'm getting a call, which is not a good thing right now. Now he's here for a project, okay, and I'm here with him for the drone shot of his project, and he's already started something to do something basically. He started a structure from here, and he continued that from there. Okay, and last night I asked him how long he's going to stretch it, so he said it's going to be like 500 to 800 meters, so you can understand what he's going for. Well, I can show you the drone shot of his work because he's making this for some of his personal reason, and he's going to sell this. There's some reasons I don't know exactly. So yeah, I can show you the full part. Probably if my drone walks here, I can show you, one of these biggest structure. Okay, I mean on the part of this biggest structure. The Lista is going to take another couple of hours probably. Let's see.
You go and can without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. To the world that you're the bad when you always being bad. What are you doing here? Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad when you always being bad. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you.
Also, for the time being, we are done here because the batteries of my drone are dead now. I have showed probably I've showed for few drone shots, I guess. So this is Kaushik, probably one of the most known artists, sand artists all over the world, and probably the most renowned one in Bengal, of course. So we can share actually what we have done actually and why we have done. Yeah, why we have done we can say, because we are looking for the sponsors. Okay, ওটা বলতে পারো কেন স্পন্সরশিপ জোগাড় করছি? দরকার নেই, just for fun. Okay, just for fun. We are not going to disclose it right now. Gradually we will come to know. We are actually not we. Really a wrong term. He's actually dreaming something.
We are team.
He actually, honest, to be very honest, he's actually dreaming very big. Okay, so for that we need a large funding. So yeah, let's see. Probably we start our work from August. We already started actually, but the main work will start from August. It's a big project. So yeah, so we're just going back to the hotel now. We're just going to charge our batteries and come back in an hour. If the weather is going to stay like this, then probably we will come back again, and I mean before evening actually, and if not, then evening we are coming again and we'll do that. We'll do another drone shot. So for the timing we are going back, freshen up, have breakfast, and let's see what we can do. we'll keep update. Yeah. So yeah, we are back again with our drones and all the cameras we needed right now. So it's a last portrait. It's almost 12 now. We will leave in a couple of hours after completing this. We're going to have lunch and then we'll leave. So yeah, where is he? Yeah, that's him doing another portrait. Last time that was not a portrait, that was just a design about peace and all. This time he's going to see, you can really recognize the eyes. He didn't say me the actual thing he's going to do, but he just gave me a idea, because while he doesn't know what he's going to do unless he starts. So he started right now. I don't know I'm going to give this on my on my drone shots or not. Let's see. Okay, so we are possibly done with everything in Mandamoni. So we are already heading back towards our home. We are just 45 kilometers away from our home. So we were in Mandamoni for like 22 hours. So it was like the best 22 hours, because I took some greatest of my work, and probably I don't know how much I can show you. Let's see. I mean, let's hope for the best. And we just checked into the Decathlon for the break, and we had to pick something up. So if you really like this video, give it a like, share this video with all of your friends, whomever you like. If you like it, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. Just go for any one of them. So see you on the next video. Bye.